Robin Hood. I am Guglielmo Tell.
I am sorry.
Don't want to be the victim of the sorry guy? Then choose OneTigris low-profile tactical vest for your own safety. The vest features a chest carry system with an elastic cummerbund that can hold 5.56 rifle mags in its 8 elastic cells, with a detachable molar panel for placard options. The specially designed elastic cummerbund can be removed and is compatible with most tactical vests, with loop attachments on the cummerbund such as LBT, LBX, FCPC, slickers, and so on. The Low Pro vest can accommodate SAPI, eSAPI medium plates and similar, has a zippered pocket at the front chest for maps and other small items, with 3-dimensional mesh lining to maximize comfort and breathability. Its low-profile style means it's designed to hug the upper torso and can be concealed beneath a jacket or worn outside of one. It's compatible with OneTigris placards to carry gear for varying scenarios.